Hi everybody, today we have a 2013 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter. Customer's concerned he smells some oil and he has to refill the coolant overflow tank or expansion tank every couple of days. I'll show you what I found out. You can rent these little pressure tools. A lot of the auto parts stores rent them. You just put a deposit, it basically doesn't cost you anything. But I saw coolant coming down on the ground, or water coming down, and you can see it's spraying here. So what's happened is it got a crack in the bottom of the tank, and you can see that little stream right there just coming out. So the bottom of that tank is actually cracked. So what I did is I looked around a little bit more, and I can see where this heater hose connection goes to the top of the pulley there. You can see where a little coolant has come out over time. And so what's happened is the hose is all soggy and damp, and it's had some staining of coolant coming out of that. And that hose has a junction, and it goes down to the heater core, and then it curves back around underneath, and it goes up to this actual expansion tank. So we'll change the expansion tank and that hose, refill the coolant, repressurize it. Some of the oil he had smell. It looks like to me like the oil fill cap is not sealing good, so it's leaking a little bit of oil down onto the exhaust, causing a problem with that. So the easiest way when you have a cooling system leak is just go to your auto parts store, or you can buy these online at these Tool Depot places. Pretty inexpensive now, and they have little adapters to go inside there, and you put a little bit of pressure and you find the leak. Because just sitting there running, there was like some staining everywhere underneath, but I didn't see anything like running out. And then we're going to raise it up on the rack because I saw a couple little puddles of oil, and do a full evaluation on it and get this customer back up and running again without his engine overheating. He was very smart to keep it on until he could get it in, kept it full, and didn't overheat it. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.